Hello everyone. Today we are diving deep into the Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones before you make a choice on your next premium audio investment. I have done extensive research on these flagship headphones, and you'll find the best current price linked in the description below. In this review, we'll evaluate everything from price point and audio performance to real-world usage scenarios and battery life. Let's dive right in and get started. The Sennheiser Momentum 4 absolutely shines with its audiophile-grade 42mm transducer system, delivering what Sennheiser calls their signature sound, and honestly, it lives up to the hype. These headphones support aptX adaptive codec, ensuring maximum audio resolution whether you're streaming from Spotify or playing high-res flash files. The frequency response spans an impressive 6 Hz to 22 kHz, capturing both the deepest bass and the most delicate high with remarkable clarity. What makes these headphones exceptional for both audiophiles and casual listeners is the Smart Control Plus app integration. You can fine-tune the sound signature through the built-in equalizer, choose from multiple presets, or create your own custom sound modes. It's like having a professional mixing board in your pocket. Additionally, the adaptive noise cancellation is intelligently adjustable from 0 to 100, letting you dial in exactly how much of the outside world you want to block out. The target audience here clearly includes professionals who need reliable audio for long work sessions, commuters dealing with noise environments, and anyone who values pristine sound quality. Moreover, the 4 digital beamforming microphones with automatic wind noise suppression make this outstanding for remote workers. Your colleagues will thank you during those Zoom chats. Battery life is where these headphones truly separate themselves from the competition. With up to 60 hours of playback time with ANC enabled, you could literally use this for an entire work week without charging. That's not marketing fluff. Real-world tests consistently show 55-58 hours of continuous playback. Furthermore, the fast charging capability gives you 6 hours of listening time with just a 10-minute charge. It's like they solved the biggest headphone annoyance of a need. The lightweight, foldably designed features deeply cushioned ear pads and a padded headband that remains comfortable even during 8-hour listening marathons. The recent firmware update also added persistent touchpad controls and an ANC off switch, and the app features users had been requesting since launch. For PC and Mac users, the seamless compatibility with Sennheiser SBTD700 USB Bluetooth dongle ensures minimal latency and rock-solid connection stability. Gamers will appreciate this for competitive gaming where audio delay means the difference between victory and defeat. However, one notable downside is the price point. At their current market price, you're making a serious investment. Some users may find the premium cost hard to justify if they're upgrading from mid-range headphones. You might want to treat this like a delicate flower given the investment involved. Additionally, while the build quality is solid, the plastic construction doesn't quite match the premium feel of some metal body-ed competitors in this price range. The adjustable transparency mode deserves special mention. It's remarkably natural, letting you stay aware of your surroundings without that artificial, processed sound many competitors produce. Whether you're crossing a busy street or need to hear office announcements, the transition is seamless. You got it. So, that's it for the best premium noise-cancelling headphones on the market for this year. Like, comment if you are gonna buy it or your impressions, and subscribe.